The house is so quiet today. Emma, do you think we can find something to do? I am just looking for my lost drawing. It might be behind the old wooden cabinet.
What do you see?
Yes, here it is. It is very dark down there. Be careful, Emma. Do you see your drawing anywhere around? I do not see my drawing, but my hand touched something cold. It is a key. Whoa, a key? What kind of key is that? A key? It looks very old. Why would a key be hidden under the heavy cabinet? I remember Mom's locked drawer. She always looks sad when she stands near that closed drawer. Oh.
She told us never to open it. Maybe we should put the key back down now.
I am just going to see if it fits. I will not move anything inside it. My heart is beating fast. What if Mom and Dad come back early from their work? The key turns very easily. It is open. There is only a single piece of paper. A paper? Read it slowly, Emma. Does it say why Mom keeps it locked away forever?
It's a map.
It has my name on it. But the other names are people I do not know. Let me see the paper. It says adoption. Emma, what does that big word really mean? It means I was not born in this family. They kept this secret from me forever. But you are my sister. You have always been my sister. Why did they hide this?
Emma, what are you doing here? Why is your mother's drawer completely open like that? Emma, what are you doing here? Why is your mother's drawer completely open like that?
I didn't mean to. I just wanted to look. Mom, Dad, wait. I can explain. I just found this key under the heavy cabinet.
You were looking through things that do not belong to you. That is very bad behavior.
Dad, she is telling the truth. We were just looking for a lost drawing earlier.
Lucas, do not protect her. Emma, you always break the important rules in this house. But Mom, it is an accident. I did not mean to read your private things. I know, but you shouldn't have looked.
An accident? You used a key to open a locked drawer. That is no accident.
But it was. I didn't mean to.
I don't believe you.
This is a very important paper. You should never touch my things without asking me first. But the paper says I am adopted. Why did you keep this big secret from me?
We are not talking about that right now. We are talking about your bad behavior today.
You are too young to understand. You broke my trust by opening my locked drawer today. I hate you. You are not listening to me. I just found the key on the floor by mistake.
Do not raise your voice at us. Go to your room right now and stay there.
Dad, please. You are making a mistake. She did not do anything wrong on purpose today.
I've heard enough, Lucas. Go to your room.
Lucas, stay out of this. Emma, I am very disappointed in you right now. Go upstairs. You never listen to me. You always decide I am wrong before hearing the full truth. I'm sorry. Please listen to me.
Go to your room and think about what you did. We will talk about this later.
This is not fair at all. You did not even let her finish her story today.
Please, just listen to him. She needs to learn a lesson about privacy. We did the right thing today, David. I am walking up the stairs slowly because I feel very sad for my sister Emma tonight. I am knocking gently on Emma's bedroom door now because I want to comfort her right now. I am sitting on my bed and crying quietly into my pillow because my heart is broken.
I am opening your bedroom door quietly, Emma, so I can sit right next to you here.
I feel like a complete outsider in this house since I read that old adoption paper today. Please do not cry, Emma. because you will always be my wonderful and loving older sister forever. I am not crying because of their punishment, but because they completely refused to listen today. I know, it's okay to feel sad. I wish Mom and Dad listened to my words before deciding I was a bad child tonight. I completely agree that our parents were wrong to shout before knowing the true story here. I just want to know why they hid this important family secret for so many years.
We must find out the truth together, because a real family should never keep secrets easily.
Yeah. I am going downstairs right now to speak with Mom and Dad about their big mistake.
No, don't! You can't!
Please stay inside my room, because I do not want you to get into trouble, too.
I have to go.
I am standing up bravely now, because I can never let my sister stand alone tonight.
I am looking at this old adoption document with deep regret while sitting on the sofa.
I am walking around the living room restlessly because my conscience makes me feel very guilty.
David, we reacted too fast today because we were deeply terrified of losing Emma's love forever.
Sarah, I understand. Me too.
You are right, Sarah. And punishing her without a proper explanation was a very wrong choice.
I am walking back into the living room now with a very serious and determined expression.
Mom and Dad, you really need to stop and hear the full, honest truth from me now. I am walking out of my bedroom now because I need to speak the truth to everyone.
Emma, please come here because we see your tears and we want to listen to you now.
I did not open the drawer to steal anything, but I just found the old key by accident.
We know that now, Emma, and I feel very sorry because I shouted at you so quickly.
It's okay, Dad. I know you didn't mean it.
She was only trying to find her lost drawing, but you completely refused to believe her story.
It hurt so much when you decided I was wrong before asking me what really happened today.
You are right, my dear child. We blamed you too fast because we were very afraid inside.
The big secret about your adoption belongs to this family, and we should have shared it sooner.
I understand. I thought I did not belong to this family anymore when you sent me to my room.
That is not true at all. You will always be our beautiful daughter no matter what happens.
See? I told you that Emma is always my sister, and nothing can ever change that fact.
Ha ha.
See? I told you that Emma is always my sister, and nothing can ever change that fact.
You were right. You are my little brother, and I love you.
Thank you for listening to my feelings now. It makes my heavy heart feel much lighter already. Come here and let us hug each other tightly, because love is stronger than an old paper. Can I join the big family hug too, because I love my sister more than anything else? Come here, Lucas.
Of course you can.
Of course.
We are a complete family because we stay together through these hard times always.
I am ready to forgive you, Dad, because you finally stopped to hear my honest words today. We made a mistake in our education today by punishing you before knowing the full truth clearly.
From now on, we promise to repair the broken trust and always listen to your voice first.
I know, Dad. I trust you.
We are fixing the big problem together tonight, and our home feels very warm and safe again.
I am happy because we promise to always listen to each other before making any bad decisions. A strong family needs absolute honesty and deep trust to stay happy and beautiful together every day.
Thanks, Mom. She's right.
We will never keep any big family secrets from you again, because you deserve the full truth.
And I promise to always stand by my sister whenever she needs someone to protect her here. The old paper can stay in the drawer because our real love is much bigger than that. Yes, it is.
Tonight, our wonderful home is full of love, peace, and beautiful trust between parents and children again.
Yes, it truly is.
If you liked our emotional family story today, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
Yes, subscribe now.
Please do not forget to like this video and share it with your loving friends and family.
What did you think about our story today? Please tell us your honest thoughts in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next English story. Bye!
I am so lucky to have a wonderful brother like you, who always protects me. I will always be your little superhero whenever you face any trouble in life.
Seeing our children love each other so much makes our hearts truly happy tonight.
We are ready to face tomorrow together because our family bond is perfectly strong.
Goodbye, everyone. Please remember to practice your English every day and stay happy always with your family.